NCTV45, The Train, anytime on your time.
It could be you, it could be me, it could be everything we see. Given the day, given the time, given the moment. It could be you, it could be me, it could be everything we see. Given the day, given the time, given the moment. Some of it comes.
Jim Micko and Sons, 347 East Washington Street in Newcastle, can service a lot of your lawn equipment. It's jimmickoandsons.com, their website, and you can email them at jimmickoandsons@verizon.net. Their phone number, 724-652-6911. Proud sponsors of community television in Newcastle.
If you're craving hot dogs and more, and you're in the area, then look no farther than Coney Island, downtown Newcastle on Kennedy Square.
Hello and welcome to another edition of Newcastle Lawrence County Living, and I think you're going to enjoy what we have in store for you. Let's get right to NCLC Living. Enjoy. A special thanks to the YMCA for caring about the Lawrence County community and providing funding for this program. This program was provided through funding from Cedars Restaurant in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. A special thanks to Cedars, featuring Middle Eastern, Italian, and American cuisine. A special thank you to Tuscany Square Restaurant, Wilmington and Mitchell Roads, for providing funding for this program. There's the finale. What a great show by Pirate Westminster and all the sponsors right here in Lawrence County. .26 Bar and Grill. 26 is a small family-owned bar and grill in Newcastle. Our local menu features many local favorites and chef-made creations. Our bar is always stocked with a great selection of craft beers. We frequently feature live entertainment and events. 4th of July, Westminster College 2017. Just a beautiful evening. There was rain in Newcastle. However, out here in New Wilmington, skies were blue. River City Belt Brass Band played and now playing. Just a beautiful night for fireworks, the 4th of July celebration. Great time to be in Lawrence County, the firework capital of the world. provided by Pyrotechnico, known all over the world for their fireworks. What a beautiful show. Today's programming is brought to you by NCTV45 and NC Radio 450, Newcastle's community television station.
Gentlemen, if you...
Funding provided by Main Street Clothiers and Tailors, Washington Street, Newcastle. Take a step back into time at Lombardo's Apothecary at 1230 South Mill Street. Will take you back in time. Take you back in time to make you feel better. They have cards, snacks, all kind of toiletries and health and beauty aids that will make you feel great. They also have prescriptions too. It's Lombardo's Apothecary. Call 724-654-8100. This program furnished by Sporting Goods, 23 East Washington Street, Newcastle. Call 724-658-2535 for this program. Mr. Pizza, East Washington Street. And just the overall appearance of a great time right here in the greatest castle in the world, Lawrence County, Newcastle. Hopefully you enjoyed those segments. Support our sponsors, and they keep community television on the air. And until next time, have a great evening.